Managing financial data requires true visibility. InsightXL is accessible within your Analytical Report Manager and is the live connection between your general ledger and Excel spreadsheets for highly focused financial reporting. Built to work with Microsoft Excel, this live integration allows you to pull real-time financial data straight from your Acumatica ERP platform into the spreadsheet environment your team already knows. Format, calculate, and analyze data in a formula-driven report that is connected to your ERP system. Move beyond high-level summaries to find the full story behind your numbers. With deep drill-down capabilities, you can investigate individual transactions quickly and resolve discrepancies with total confidence. Break down data silos and streamline your operations by leveraging the live connection between Acumatica and Excel. Using the InsightXL add-in, you choose which branches, ledgers, and financial periods you want to pull data from to create new reports. Then, refresh values on the fly, reduce manual updates, and support seamless financial data management across your organization. We believe thriving businesses need tools that empower every person to innovate. Connect your financial data and support your growth with InsightXL. Schedule your personalized demonstration today.